Let's look at example 2. So big screen TV has an aspect ratio of 16:9, which means that for every 16 inches of width, the TV is 9 inches high. So for every 16 inches of width, so if this were 16 inches, it would be 9 inches high. So let's write that as a ratio. So we've got 16:9. So if we're going to be doing something with it, it's much more useful to have it written 16:9. Let's just look at what this means. So 16 inches of width. So this is width. Make these a little bigger. The TV is 9 inches high, so 9 is the height. I would really recommend writing something like this in so that you make sure that you set up your proportion properly. So it equals, well, what is the height? We're looking for the height. If I look here, height is on the bottom, so the height is going to go here, of a TV that is 40 inches wide, width, that's up here. Okay. And again, to solve a proportion, you just cross multiply. So multiply the things that are diagonal from each other. So 16 times x is 16x, and 9 times 40 is 360. Okay, I want to get x by itself, so it's 16 times x, so I divide by 16 and divide 360 by 16, and x is equal to 22.5. Okay, because 16 divided by 16, that's just 1, so 1x is equal to 22.5. You can take a bit of a shortcut. So writing it out again, whoops, not 19, 16. So 16 over 9 equals 40 over x. That's the same. You can you look at your x, and we're going to say that's equal to the number that's on the other side of the fraction bar. So if it's 40 over x or x over 40, whatever, we take that number, so 40 times the number that's diagonal from it, so 9, and then divide by the number that's diagonal from the x. You can see that's exactly what we did here. We did 40 times 9 divided by 16. It's just a shortcut if you want to use it. The French call it la règle de trois. I don't know that there's a word for it in English. It would be the rule of 3, but never heard it that way. But it's an easy way to solve proportions. So either way, it's 22.5. So the TV would be 22.5 inches high.